Welcome to another anti-inflammatory cooking class. I am Rosemary, Altemus, on-site nutrition counselor for Advanced Rheumatology. Today, we are preparing chicken skewers with peppers, pineapple, and curry dipping sauce. Let's begin. I'm going to skewer the pepper and the chicken. This chicken's been marinated overnight in some spices. You'll see those on the recipe. And some fresh pineapple, another pepper, a piece of chicken, pineapple, pepper, chicken, and the pineapple. And this will fit in an air fryer very well. Depends on the size of your air fryer, so I would say that's about 8 or 9 inches long, okay? I have pre-skewered some of the shish kebabs ahead of time. We're going to add them to the air fryer. The air fryer is pretty easy to work. We're just going to push the power button. According to our directions, we're going to heat up the air fryer to 370 degrees, and we're going to cook it for 12 minutes. We're just going to lay these in, making sure that there's a little bit of air and space between them so that they can cook correctly and evenly. And we're going to pop the air fryer on. And we're going to start. And you can see every air fryer is different, but just read your directions. Some of them will preheat. This one didn't. We're just going to start it for 12 minutes at 370. The cooking time has completed, and here are our cooked shish kebabs. If you'd like to check the internal temperature, you would check it with the thermometer. It would read 165. The pineapple curry dip is going to also go in with our skewers. We're going to dip that in there. So today we're going to start with, I found some yogurt or substitute for yogurt. It's made by Silk, and they use almond milk, so we can not use regular dairy. So if you're not using dairy or you can't have dairy, you can omit the dairy and use this product by Silk. It's very good. It does have some sugar in it, but for a special occasion, it's fine. So it says to use about a cup of it. This is going to be a little more than a cup, because it's only one container isn't a cup. It's only 5 ounces, so we're going to just add 2. Always good to have a little extra dip. This is vanilla. You can see the vanilla, little specks of vanilla in there. And to that, we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of pineapple juice. We're actually going to put a little more in since there was a little more of the yogurt. And also we're going to add 2 teaspoons of apricot preserves. Now this is simply fruit. There's no sugar added to this. Four tablespoons of, it says avocado mayonnaise, but this is a keto mayonnaise, and it's made with coconut, refined coconut oil. So we're going to use that instead of a real mayonnaise. You want to use avocado or something that's paleo friendly, okay? Let's put this in here like this. And we're going to add one more. Now to spice it up even more, we're going to add some curry powder. This is going to give it its unique flavor. And we have some organic curry powder. Curry powder has in it, when you go to buy it, it has coriander, fenugreek, and turmeric with a little bit of red pepper and some organic onion. And we're going to add a teaspoon of that. Yes, it is good for arthritis. It's an anti-inflammatory herb. Remember, we talk about those a lot. Won't quite fit in there. And that was half because we used our teaspoon up, so we'll just make it a mess here. Okay. And we're going to stir this up. So it's going to be kind of savory. We have the spices, and then we have the preserves, the apricot preserves. So it's going to make it a little bit savory here for our chicken and pineapple. Okay. We can add a little salt to that if you want to, and pepper. Okay, we're going to be serving our chicken, our pineapple skewers with the curry sauce. And we'll do 2 skewers for a serving. Thank you for watching this month's anti-inflammatory cooking class. Today we made anti-inflammatory chicken skewers with peppers, pineapple, and a curry dipping sauce in an air fryer. Remember to like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. All recipes and content can be found on our website, advancedrheumatology.net. Remember, a healthy outside starts from the inside.